Hi, my name is Harun Jaffrey. I'm the CEO of Expertise Accelerated. We are a knowledge-driven offshoring and staff augmentation firm specializing in accounting, finance, and supply chain management functions. Until 10 years ago, only the Fortune 100 companies had the resources to offshore their accounting and finance back office functions. They built sophisticated IT infrastructures and back office teams with skills matching those of their onshore employees. The result was savings of billions of dollars. Fast forward to today, the IT infrastructure has transformed. Companies like Google and Microsoft are offering cloud infrastructure as a part of their standard offering. Expertise Accelerated has leveraged this transformation. Like major corporations, Expertise Accelerated has created offshore talent pool with skills matching those of onshore employees. We want to be your partner in your transition from an onshore to a hybrid onshore-offshore model, helping you realize savings just like major corporations. Our value proposition centers around our knowledge of the consumer packaged goods and manufacturing industry, our offshore talent pool, and our knowledge to help you implement industry best practices. Contact Expertise Accelerated for a more effective accounting and finance function, and to help you transition from an onshore to an onshore-offshore hybrid model to help you achieve employee cost savings.